I got the Cal outdoor boots, and these boots come really packaged well. I got the one in pink. It comes in other colors. This boot is waterproof, non-slipping and dry, and also non-sweating, and very durable. It has great insulation on the inside, and it's made of 6 mm neoprene upper and natural rubber material. It also has this back stepper that you can use to remove the boot. When I put on the boot, the first thing I noticed was just how warm my feet felt, how insulated it felt because of the inner rubber lining inside, and it is heat resistance, also waterproof. It also doesn't allow my body heat go out. It keeps my toes nice and warm. Very comfortable. The rubber outsole of it gives me the comfort and the shock absorbent I want. It's very durable, and it protects me while I'm gardening, and it's just very comfortable to wear and quite stylish too. When I go out to the woods and to the forest, I don't have to be bothered about things hurting my leg, because this really protects my leg and my foot and my toes. I love that the sole area is very durable. It's very nice and thick, so I'm not afraid of stepping in any area at all. I love how comfortable it is, and the best part of it is I can use it while hunting, camping, farming, or doing anything in the outdoor. Absolutely love it.